Assalamu alaikum. Allow me to introduce OptiCom, a system that provides a nonverbal communication method by using the gaze of a user. Introducing team members, my name is Anisa Sofia binti Abdurrashid. Let us take a look at the system designs framework. Firstly, before using the system, the caretaker must register and log in for the patient, since at this point the eye tracking algorithm is not yet running. Once logged in, the patient will go through a calibration phase where the system collects iris coordinates from the user and cursor coordinates from the user interface itself. After training, the algorithm can now begin to predict the cursor coordinates based on the user's gaze and ultimately select the intended words to be vocalized and displayed as outputs to any listener the patient is conversing with. The database of the system will store login information for authentication and training data for eye tracking calibration and the history of selected words for users' reference. In terms of novelty, this system will be unique in the sense that it will be deployed as a web application, which will increase the range of accessibility to this technology. It is affordable due to the development costs being cut, since OptiCom requires no additional external hardware for eye tracking. It will simply use the device camera. OptiCom will feature a new design of augmented alternative communication board to suit the elderly demographic. Now, let's dive deeper into the eye tracking algorithm of OptiCom. At the start of calibration, the system will initialize a counting variable to 0. This is because the algorithm is programmed to collect 30 records of training data, which will include the coordinates of iris and cursor. During the process, the system will display a 2D block on the user interface that acts as a gaze target. The user will be asked to hold the gaze while the system collects the iris coordinates. The academic contribution includes innovation by leveraging MLP, which is multi-layer perceptron, for precise gaze-to-screen mapping. And it is more computationally efficient than other algorithms like CNN for calibration. Let's briefly demonstrate how to use this system OptiCom. Let's say I'm a patient and the caretaker is asking me how I'm feeling today. I can simply look at the element neutral and blink to select, and the selected word will be displayed on the prompt up here. And then let's say the caretaker asks me if I'm hungry. I can also utilize this no element, blink to select, and the selected word will be displayed and vocalized by the system. Let's take a look at other features this OptiCom has to offer. So OptiCom may also allow you to edit user profile in the user profile page. Other than that, it also allows you to edit board. It also features an on-screen keyboard where for the user to use if they ever need to conjure up more specific words. So the user may look at any key, blink to select, and continue until the word is finished. And lastly, the user may have access to history of sessions, which means that each record will hold all the words being selected at that session. At the basic individual scale, it is very impactful to paralyzed victims by helping them reconnect with society like friends and especially loved ones. At a societal scale, OptiCom can prove to be able to spread awareness on verbally disabled victims despite communication being a basic human right. The impact OptiCom could have on the nation is by being proof of advancement of assistive technologies. It could inspire more ideas for other innovations within this area of technological application. The market for assistive technologies is expanding at a remarkable pace, with a projected compound annual growth rate of 8% between 2022 and 2030. The demand for solutions that support individuals with disabilities is skyrocketing. This rapid growth highlights the increasing need for innovative technologies that enhance independence and communication. Another significant driver is the aging population worldwide. As the elderly demographic continues to grow, there is a pressing demand for accessible technologies designed to improve mobility and communication. These trends position solutions like OptiCom to meet a critical market need empowering users, and addressing societal challenges effectively. Our target market focuses on two critical segments: healthcare and rehabilitation, as well as education. In healthcare and rehabilitation, OptiCom is designed for patients with severe disabilities, such as those affected by LIS, ALS, or Parkinson's disease. It caters to hospitals, clinics, and home-based care system, providing essential support for communication and independence. In the education sector, the solution addresses the needs of special education institutions worldwide, offering accessible communication tools for students with unique requirements. These targeted segments ensure OptiCom delivers impactful benefits to those who need it. Thank you for watching our presentation on OptiCom, empowering communication, fostering independence, and transforming lives through innovation.